Well, kids, it's official. My members have been notified. We are closing down the membership. 7 months ago, I opened up the No Nonsense Leadership Academy. I had a group of members, a group of founding members, who, other than knowing what they've seen on YouTube about me, other than joining in on a few live streams, they said, Mike, we believe in you. We believe that even though we can't see anything from this membership you're talking about, we are going to invest our hard-earned money into your hopes and dreams. We believe that what you say is what you're going to do and what we're going to get. And that has been my driving force for the membership for the last 7 months. The problem is, I've been chasing my tail. Maybe you as a leader, maybe you feel the same way in the sense that you're in a role, you've made a promise, you've got a job to do, but you just can't catch up. You just can't seem to get a rhythm. You can't seem to get a flow. That's what I've been struggling with. I don't have a flow. Things aren't coming naturally to me. Things that I thought would work well, not so much. Things that I thought, let's give it a try, became problems, became a hindrance to those members that were trying to gain the knowledge that I promised. What I did 2 months ago was I said, screw it. There are things that I don't know. There's a lot that I understand, but there's a lot that I don't understand. There has to be tricks and tips for running a membership effectively, where the members gain the most access to you, where the members get the most information from you, and it doesn't feel like you're chasing your tail. So I went out and I joined a course. I know that I have told you guys, invest in yourselves. Get my 30-day boot camp. I know you got 7 minutes a day. Join the boot camp. But I wasn't taking my own advice until 2 months ago when I joined a course on how to run memberships. I have just finished this course, which led me to speak with my current members and tell them that we are shutting down the membership for the next 2 months. These next 2 months, I will be taking what I've learned and I will be implementing it. I will be revamping it. I will be getting out the torque wrench. No, I'm not. But I'm going to be rebuilding from the ground up with the help of this course, which you could get a course and you could get help. But with the help of this course, but more importantly, with the feedback of the members, with the excitement of all the things that the members have shared with me, the things that the members have allowed me to try, have allowed me to learn from, have allowed me to grow from, this membership is my business. This membership dives deep into leadership questions, management questions. It dives deep into what you as a leader feel as a pain. It helps you build trust with your team, respect with your team. It helps you communicate. It helps you lead with and without authority. And the new revamped version will be ready on September 21st. On September 21st, the current members, myself, and my team of experts will be reopening the No Nonsense Leadership Academy. So if you happen to see a few less YouTube videos, I ain't going nowhere. What I'm doing is I'm putting my heart and soul into revamping this membership, making it accessible to more people just like you. If you feel like you're missing out, if you feel like you haven't been talking to Mike, go and grab my 30-day bootcamp. It takes 7 minutes for 30 days, and you will be, boom, that much better as a leader. You won't be chasing your tail. You won't be struggling to lead your team. You will be able to do it authentically. I tell you, I invest in myself. You must invest in yourself. I realized with this membership, nobody was coming to save me. I needed to figure it out for myself, and that's what I did, and that's what I suggest you do. Now, you can tell yourself that you don't need training, and I get it. But watch this video because it's 5 other lies that managers will tell themselves. I'll see you there. Ciao.